Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming API access and credentials for Equity Edge. This is mandatory because Mt5 needs token-based authentication to pull positions. Once done, install a current Mt5 build and enable external DLLs in settings so the connector can run. Also, make sure you have your broker server address, port, and either your machine IP or VPS ready. That information lets you configure secure sockets and whitelist the origin for the Equity Edge API. Install the official connector expert advisor or bridge on Mt5 charts. You do this to run the integration inside Mt5 runtime. Then input the Equity Edge API key, secret, and endpoint into the EA interface, and map Equity Edge accounts to Mt5 trading accounts so orders route correctly. After that, set the sync frequency, order timeout, and risk limit parameters. These control how often positions update, how long orders remain valid, and prevent accidental overexposure. Finish by running a dry run on a demo account to validate position sync and order lifecycle. You need to confirm P&L, margin, and fills match Equity Edge before going live. Once satisfied, switch mapping to live accounts and monitor the first few trades closely. If things go wrong, check the connector logs, verify firewall or VPS network rules, confirm your API credentials and rate limits, and restart the EA. These steps resolve most connectivity and authentication failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.